Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change the headlight bulb on your Lexus GX470. This is a straightforward process you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, gather a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine completely before starting any work for your safety. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening the hood of your Lexus GX470. You will see the back of the headlight assembly from inside the engine bay. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it away. Next, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts that hold the entire headlight assembly in position. With the assembly loose, it's time to access the bulb itself. Carefully twist the bulb's retaining ring counterclockwise to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats correctly, and then twist the retaining ring clockwise to secure it. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the headlight assembly to your Lexus GX470, securing it with the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to test the new bulb. Confirm that it illuminates properly before you hit the road. Great job, you've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.